IB Euro students, here is your week preview. Notice that on the 18th, we are beginning our hybrid schedule, and it is as follows. On Mondays and Thursdays, you'll be meeting with your periods 1 through 3 teachers, period 1 at 9, period 2 at 10, and period 3 at 11 a.m. So twice a week, we'll be meeting online with your classes. There is an expectation to attend. Students have been doing fine on their own, but it will get increasingly more difficult now that we aren't in the classroom. On Tuesdays and Fridays, you'll be meeting with your periods 4, 5, and 6 classes. Period 4 at 9, period 5 at 10, and period 6 at 11. It's not ideal, certainly not what anybody wanted, but given the situation we're in and the numbers of people getting COVID and having to go to the hospital, it's a necessary step. The schedule then makes this week a transition week. We only have one topic to cover, and the test is put off until the next week's folder. So the topic is that discussion about the contribution of the United States. There's an article to read from the New York Times from a few years ago about when the Americans turned the tide. It's certainly a pro-U.S. vision. And then the assignment is the U.S. involvement activity. And that introduces you to the debate or the differing interpretations on how valuable the United States was in the actual war. So we'll be reading about what that issue is, and then we'll be reading a couple primary sources to support either side. So that is the assignment. You have Wednesday and Thursday to complete it. Friday, there is no school, nothing scheduled for you. And Monday and Tuesday now are scheduled as transition to distance learning days. So for those of you that are behind, this offers an excellent opportunity to get caught up. For those of you that are caught up, this offers an excellent opportunity for you to study for the test. The review guide is available. I would highly encourage you to look at it prior to the test. A few students were doing that last week. And also remember, Thursday students, those that are hybrid students on Thursday, I will see you tomorrow, hopefully. Other than that, guys, have a great day. If you need help, you have questions with anything, please ask. Bye.